Hi there guys and welcome back to another video. So you guys might be worried about that how the professional traders tell the valuable areas so that you guys can trade on. So let me break it down for you. We are going to teach you today that how we can trade on demand and supply zone simply. So let's consider an example of an apple. If the demand of the apple is very much high and it's not available at every shop, so definitely that one seller will sell it at high price, just like this. And if the apple is available at every shop, every seller, so its price will definitely decrease because its supply has increased, so it will start moving down, its price will start getting low. Same as the concept with the market. So that's the point where the demand zone is, and that's the point where the original supply zone is. Major purpose is that we are going to mark this area simply where the original cause of supply started, where the supply increased and market starts moving down. Whereas in the case of demand, here just like this we are going to mark that area. This will act as our demand zone and this will act as our supply zone, because in this case of supply, the supply increases and the price went down. Same in the case of demand, the demand increases and it's not available at every shop, so that's why its price will keep on moving higher, because not everyone has the apple to sell. So the specific seller who has an apple, he will send it at higher price. Now let's implement it on the market. So we are just going to mark the candles as I have told you before. So right now where the original selling starts, as you can see, is this point, and where the original buying starts, it's not that big structure for the buying, but still we can say that one. So we have marked it down. So now for the proper supply and demand zone to be visible, we will take the rectangle tool and we will just mark the body. Remember it, we are just going to mark the body. That's our supply zone. Supply zone, as the market started moving down after this, and this will definitely act as our demand zone right over here. Let's label it down, demand zone. I have just shown you in the bigger form so that it gets visible, demand zone. Otherwise we are just going to mark the body of the candle, not the wicks, just the body. It's not visible, just leave it right over here. So the point where the market starting moving in the form of higher highs will label it as demand zone, and the point where the market started went down, going down, we're going to label it as our supply zone. So now that's the top and the bottom, that's the peaks. So there are also the points in between. Here at this point you can see also there's another supply zone, supply zone. Let's label it down, and the areas like this you can neglect it, and it will just do a work of giving a dirt to your chart. So no need to mention these small areas, just go on to the bigger ones. So as you can see, as if we move previous to the chart, this also acted as our demand zone. Just to show you guys more examples, I'm marking it down. This also acted as our demand zone because the market started moving in the form of higher highs. So guys, thank you so much for watching. If this video was beneficial for you in any way, so do hit the like and subscribe button. I'll catch you up guys in the next video. So till then, take care, do good, and bye bye.